The FULEN Galaxy Projector is a standout product designed to transform any indoor space into a mesmerizing celestial environment. From bedrooms to gaming rooms and even holiday parties, this projector offers a unique combination of aesthetic appeal and functional lighting. It features 16 customizable aurora colors with adjustable brightness and speed, controlled easily via a remote. The addition of green twinkling stars enhances the magical atmosphere, making it ideal for creating romantic, relaxing, or enchanting moods. The remote control also includes a 1-hour timer function, which is convenient for sleep aid, allowing the light to turn off automatically after a set period, or be cancelled with a double touch for uninterrupted ambience. Setting up the FULEN Galaxy Projector is straightforward. The device is compact and lightweight, measuring approximately 8 inches in diameter and 4 inches in width and height, making it easy to place on a countertop or mount on the ceiling. Its adjustable angle allows users to direct the aurora and star projections precisely where desired, enhancing the overall experience. The projector uses LED lights with a brightness of 100 lumens and a color temperature of 6,000 Kelvin, providing vivid and soothing illumination without being overwhelming. The build is primarily plastic with a polished finish, and it is powered via USB with a corded electric source, requiring one lithium polymer battery for the remote. Although the cord length is noted as shorter than some users expected, the device's small size ensures it does not obstruct space. Performance-wise, the FULEN Galaxy Projector impresses with its vibrant colors and smooth motion effects. The adjustable speed feature allows users to slow down the aurora movement to avoid discomfort such as headaches, which some users experienced at faster speeds. The green twinkling stars add a dynamic and charming layer to the projection, elevating the visual appeal beyond basic light displays. Many users appreciate the quiet operation, which makes it suitable for bedtime use without disturbing sleep. The remote control is user-friendly, enabling effortless adjustments to color, brightness, speed, and timer settings from across the room. The projector's design includes a cute astronaut figure, which adds a playful and distinctive touch compared to more generic star projectors. This makes it particularly appealing for children and teens who can enjoy the cosmic ambiance as a nightlight or decorative piece. Parents have noted that it helps children feel more comfortable in their rooms at night, reducing fear of the dark. The device is also popular among gamers and adults who want to enhance their gaming or living spaces with atmospheric lighting. On the downside, some users have reported that the projector's head can detach easily, which requires careful handling. Additionally, the lasers can be intense when turning the device off if not positioned carefully, which may cause brief discomfort if looked at directly. The need for a power outlet and the absence of a rechargeable battery may limit portability for some, but the reliable corded power source ensures consistent performance without battery drain concerns. Overall, the FULEN Galaxy Projector is a versatile and enchanting lighting solution that combines aesthetic beauty with practical features. It is well suited for a variety of indoor settings, from kids' bedrooms to party environments, offering a captivating starry sky and aurora effect that can be tailored to individual preferences. The ease of use, remote control convenience, and sleep timer function make it a thoughtful addition to any home. Its compact size and appealing design, including the astronaut motif, set it apart from other projectors in the market. This projector has garnered a strong positive reception, reflected in its high customer rating of 4.6 out of 5 from over 1,500 reviews. Users consistently praise its ability to create a magical atmosphere, the quality of its light effects, and its contribution to relaxation and sleep comfort. While minor issues like cord length and the detachable head exist, they do not significantly detract from the overall experience. If you are looking for a nightlight that doubles as a decorative piece and mood enhancer, the FULEN Galaxy Projector is a compelling choice. Whether for children, teens, or adults who appreciate cosmic aesthetics, it delivers a memorable and soothing light show. For those interested in purchasing, the product link is provided in the description to support the channel. If you already own this projector, leaving a review in the comments will help others make informed decisions. This projector is a recommended gadget for anyone wanting to add a touch of wonder and tranquility to their living space.